What do you have today? Probabilities. I'm looking for longs in Euro and GBP. I think GBP will give me very nice setup though. I wanted to take here after this CSD, like after here, but yeah, London might give, so waiting for that. Here also, what I want to say is some kind of sweep to the downside and then push higher because gold is utterly bullish. So nice level we are in right now. So, uh, say like we are at extreme discount. Sorry, extreme premium. It's gonna open in like 4 minutes, so might wait for that. If gold actually comes and sweep out these lows, where is my session indicator? Yeah, if it comes sweep out these lows, not these lows, but this is enough, I guess. Come on, take out these lows because this is like it's a if it acts as a order blocks because we already swept liquidity over here. I don't want price to like come out here and take out these lows also. If it comes take out these lows and pushes higher, I'll be interested in buys. The 3 more minutes. Okay, Euro made equalize, so I might look for longs. Mm, let's see. Gold, I'll wait for these lows to get taken out. Then only I'll be interested in buys, otherwise no point. Because we already swept liquidity. I don't want it to come again and sweep out these lows. These are Asian lows, right? I don't want it to come again. If it comes again here, I think we might come to take out these liquidity over here. So if price wants to continue bullish again today, if the gold wants to like move higher, that's the place, proper OT, no place to look for buys. Okay, London open. The way it closed inside this sus. Come on, take out these lows, then I can look for something. Hello, Chara, yeah. Yeah, it is taking out these lows. It has to take out these lows, push higher. Bro, Euro shouldn't push higher. Nah. I thought of taking this trade after this CISD here. This candle somewhere here like this. Or like, wait, London might come down and give us some entry. Like, good risk to reward. How many trade in this week so far? Bro, what? I don't know, bro. Took, I guess, 8 to 10, I guess. I think 8 or 9. Have to go check once. One here. With the 2, 3, not 3, and then this one. I didn't take here, I guess. I took in NAS and S&P. So around 8, 8, 9. What is this, bro? If you fail, I rise. On top here and then push higher. For me, I took advantage of volatility. Most of them hit break even though that's the only sad part. Can't do this. I'll wait here. Take out lows. Nah. Equal low, equal low, equal low. Because if it comes out here like this, here I'll be looking for buys. Uh, okay, go. Yeah, we took our lows. Yeah, we took our lows. I'm waiting for some structure change. There's something I don't want to see to take out these lows. If I take out, it's gonna go down. Because on the higher time frame, we already did that, and then look at how it was. You trade news? Nah, bro, I don't trade news. I tend to avoid news. Do we have news today? Then check. We have unemployment claims. Shouldn't be trading today, but yeah, it's fine. Something I've been doing. Never trade news, bro. It's not worth it. Just waiting for a market structure shift or something. At least I see IST to look for buys. Don't like the closure. It might pull down. I thought it'll wake up. Didn't do that. So in EU, we can see some resistance from 1.137. You're telling this one, but we made equalize will go up. It's actually reaching my target. Didn't give us entry though. That's the only part. They didn't even come to 50% mark. I thought at least this London would come down and then push higher. London didn't do that, which it usually tends to do. These lows. I was in shorts here. Uh, my target were these lows, 1 raised to 4 something. Yeah, it hit my TP one here and then straight to break even. Sucks though now. It would have taken me out and then I came all the way down. Okay, we took out Asia's low. Yeah, we did take out Asia's low. We'll see if we can take trades now. Can we look for buys after market? Yeah, bro. Even I'm thinking of that because gold is extremely bullish. Every time it takes out liquidity, it actually pushes higher. Yes, yes. I'll be only looking for buys because we are like in an all-time high. That's not a good thing to look for sales. We are in this like 4 hour fair value gap as long as it respects. Because this kind of looks good for buys, but like it needs to push higher. How is dollar index going? Yeah, dollar should fall from here. Then only we can like expect good moves on gold. Currently respecting this gap right here, this fair value gap. So if it takes good liquidity, which it has done, it should push down. The silver is pushing down. Because the thing is that silver has these low resistance like liquidity over here. So I'm just waiting for an entry to look for longs. Because I don't want to change my bias. I just want to like take one or two good trades and like call it a day. If it goes down, it goes down. Can't do anything. But the thing is that I look at how we are pushing higher and higher every day. I usually don't trade during like all-time highs for the sake of like live stream. At least I'm doing that. And then yeah, actually it gives good target also, like nice volume. Is gonna go close in like 2 hours 41 minutes. So if it respects, it should push higher because the previous candle closed bullish. It should take out these highs at least. What's euro doing? Okay, we are generating more liquidity. Can technically look for buys here, but don't want to like get stuck in pullback. See, from here, I've been trying to look for longs. Then come to this, then come to this. It's extremely bullish. Thus, I want to look for sells still here, so it is generating. It comes still here, then we can look for sells. Okay, I prefer 5 minute entries. On Forex, it's 5 minute entries. On like futures, it's 1 minute. So that's what I prefer. Because Forex typically moves very slow compared to like futures. So if that to get that proper validation, I look for like proper time frame is it's like 5 minutes, 5 to 15 minutes, not more than that also. So there's this thing. Okay, wait, let me show time frame alignment. Where is it? I'll show you my journal only. Uh, that's something you're gonna that's something that's gonna help. So this is something time frame alignment. If you know T trades from him I learned. So if you are like looking for like higher time frame wise confirmation to lower time frame entries, so this is what you do. So if your bias is on like 15 minutes, so what you do, you enter on like 1 minute. So if 15 minutes is showing you some bullishness, some fair value gap is there that you want to enter. So where do you want to align that with it? With 1 minute. So in 1 minute you can look for confirmation and then entries. So let's say we are trading like now currently we are trading like so 4 hour fair value gap. Okay. So in 4 hour fair value gap, where should my entry be? It should be in 15-minute candle. So that's something that I've been trying to align. So currently, where are we in 4 hour? If I show you, so we are in like this 4 hour fair value gap. So where should my entry be? It should be on 15 minutes. So it's easy if you like consider this. So 4 hour confirmation is like reduce two from here, 1 hour and 30 minutes 15. If you want 15-minute confirmation, then entry should be on 1 minute. Okay, so 30 minutes should be 3 minute. So like that it is. Why is it lagging? Oh yeah, sorry. So it was lagging. Now it's a little better. Mm, So that's how you like align time frames. I can look for like 5 minute also. It's not that, but yeah, that's how I typically align my time frames. Okay, GBP might give some entry. Entry would be this square value. Yeah. Let's see when it comes here. I'll look for like 1 minute entries or something. I'll just put an alert. See, now gold is moving bullish. I don't like how it came here. See, no bottom wick here. That's something that I avoid during trading. If there's no bottom wick, price usually comes to create this bottom wick and then it tries to push higher if it wants to push higher. Now to take care of news, though, Trump might do something to me. Because the China-US war is like very bad. This is why DXY is pushing higher. That's why they are falling. Take, let it take out these lows. Okay. Yeah, we might see some bullish reaction from here if this order blocks acts properly. ये और को कितने दिन बाकी है और I got one no. No, I haven't requested any. I took one, that's it. I'm thinking of like uh कि रिस्क बढ़ा के करूँ कुछ. Technically, 5% is a drawdown rate. I'm thinking of going with like 3-4% per trade. दो अच्छा वाला कुछ ट्रेड मिला तो. And for my Instagram is like empty, right? So I just want to make some reels, like some challenge I would like to take and do that. Like I'm thinking of converting $100 to like $1,000, but I don't know how it'll go. $3 falling, gold should push higher. Uh, this is in its like order block. It might push higher if we see some market structure shift over here. Nice. At least it should display support this. A 20 pip challenge sucks, bro. Never gonna do that. 20 pips is something that I don't like. See, the thing is that look at how much gold moves, okay? So if you take from these low to these highs, it moves at least. This is 370 pips. Why would I take this much? How much is 20 pips here? This is one candle something. The way gold is moving, it's moving more than 10, 20 pips per candle. I think like considering how much you make profits on pip is utterly useless. I can keep a stop loss for 100 pips and aim for 200 pips. Pip- I have seen some like Instagram reels where they captured 200 pips, 300 pips, but the risk was only that much. They capture 1:1 for like 200 pips and then they'll post like I captured 200 pips. The risk is also the same, right? Um, the thing is that 20 pips, it won't even give waves if you like you want to attract people. Mainly people would like to watch like converting $20 to 20,000, something like that. Proper marketing is that Tom guy, Tom trades. He knows how to engage people in trading. 100 to 1 million and start privately good guy. Bro, nah. Yeah, bro, funded account is worth it. I only use that. If you don't have capital and you know that your trading has some edge and you are profitable, go for funded account. That's the best thing that happened. Start in private. Bro, if I can do 100 to 1 mil, why would I be here? My win rate comes to somewhere around 64%. If I get took like my whole journal, if I take, it's close to somewhere around 200 to 250 trades, which comes to 62%. With the average risk to reward is 1.65 something. Because I used to take partial, so it used to be crazy. Otherwise, somewhere around 2. So I have pretty good win rate with proper risk to reward, but can't go like that. Just got Funder Pro. I don't know about Funder Pro. If I feel like the only good prop firm out there are Funded Next, Funding Pips. If you have good capital, then there's one called as Alpha Capital. That is good. FTMO is good. Go for these good firms. Don't go for like the cheaper one like this Maven and all. Which funded firm would you suggest? If you want like the best with like affordable and a good firm, I would suggest Funding Pips. Uh, if you are like I'm like too good profitable. I want like low spreads and all, go for Blueberry because their spreads are too good. If you want like a reputed firm who don't deny payout, like they have been in a while, then go for FTMO. The FTMO doesn't work in India, that's that. I feel like funded next will be good. I would have taken funded next, but the thing is that they don't have this thing. What do you call trade locker? I like trade locker than empty file terminal. 62% is crazy with one. It's not 1:6, bro. It's 1.6. 1:6 is too much. It's 1:1.6, not 1:6. It's close to 2. My typical risk to reward is like 2.4. 1 minute we shift the structure though. Could look for longs, but too risky. It's fine, bro. Chill. Okay, dollar is crashing. We did invest this gap, so it might go up. Silver is pushing. Oh, it respected this fair value gap. It reached my target. Miss entry here. How good are this? Here, stops here. Nah, it's fine. This price action sucks though. It's consolidating. I'll wait for some good reaction. Yeah, we did displace about that. The thing is that I wait patiently for my setups. That's why I have like very good it came through like good experience. This week I'm up like 4.5%, which is less for me, but yeah, uh, it's pretty good. The consolidation it might be due to news. Don't take all this liquidity over here. But I'll look for longs. I would have looked here somewhere. How long have you been trading? 2.5 to 3 years, bro. Yeah, look for longs here. And I recommend you guys not to like copy my trades. I think I have new viewers. So yeah, my risk management is like totally different than yours. So uh, GBP USDV, 1 second, bro. I'll tell you. Let me put this in. I did enter here. It's a bit risky though, because we just swept in like 1 minute and there's no proper shift in 5 minutes. I went with like 0.5% risk here. Why is it lagging though? Yeah, I went with like 0.5% risk because we took out nice liquidity over there. We have like this higher time frame fair value gap which might react, and then we are failing to close below this. Wait one second. I'm new to trading and was wondering if you could recommend any good places to learn, like YouTube channels for other resources. Bro, if you are like completely new, go through like support and resistance, how the market structure works, like how do you identify high highs, high lows, lower high, lower lows, and then after that you can go through TGR bootcamp. There's a guy called TGR. I don't know why it's lagging. There's a guy called as TGR, so you can go through his channel. He has like a complete bootcamp that is made. Why is the price not loading? I should be in profits. So yeah, go through TGR bootcamp one, and then do like a good amount of back testing sessions. There's a free back testing site which I'll post if you want. I don't know why it's not loading. Okay, so yeah, go through a good amount of back testing session, and then yeah, bro, it's free on YouTube. Just search TGR bootcamp. So he'll teach you all the basics which you need. Oh yeah, we are. I literally hate when this happens. It happens a lot during this time in trading view. So yeah, once you finish that, go through good amount of back testing session. It's called FX replay. Okay, so check how your strategies work. You can like if you're making mistakes, make sure you trade like some at least some 100 to 200 trades and identify all the mistakes that you do. Yeah, it's going nice though. Nice push. So like go through like 100 to 200 trades and then note down everything what you do. So try avoiding all the mistakes you make and then whatever is working for you, just increase that. This would be my target though, final target, because we have equalized over here. Come on, trading you, Lord. So this would be my like final target because we have equalized. So yeah, once you go through everything, make sure you backtest and then have like a small 5K account, get a funded account, risk 0.5% and see how your strategies work in like real life. If you need any help, like you can like DM me on Instagram. I'll send you links. Or else in my Discord, it's there, everything. Yeah, MMXM is also nice, but I don't like how it teaches. Yeah, okay, silver took out these highs though. We have a higher time from SMT divergence. I'll actually reduce my risk. My risk would be these lows now because we took out highs right here and sorry, in silver we didn't take out highs, so we have like higher time from SMT divergence over here. There's one called as FX replay, bro. It's free. I'll show you. I'll show you. Wait. I don't know why my network sucks today. Okay, So yeah, the back testing session, it's something like this. Okay. So just go head over to like FX replay. This is FX replay. It's free if you sign up and you get like some 40 trades. So it's enough to per day you can trade, like enough trades you can take. So that's how it is. You can like, and then if I go to like London somewhere, okay, let's say I want to take a trade here. So what do you do? You want to take a long here. You press that. Okay, put your stop loss as take profit somewhere. Simply I'm showing you. Okay. And then there's something called as place order. Okay, so how much percent you want to risk per trade? And then if you just press, okay, so sorry, limit. If you press sell, it'll come everything here. So if you play out, so that's how you can like backtest. So, so yeah, it'll show you how much you made PNL and everything. So that's how you can like use. This is a very nice website though. So that's how you can use FX replay. A good back testing site. And then that's where I do. No problem, bro. Should push I guess. That was PPP, bro. I hate when it lags. Okay, took out our targets. I hate when it starts happening. This is, I think, the second time it's happening to me. Let me close this once. Bruh, how is it lagging? Is there anything else you can like ask till this thing loads? I have literally 100 Mbps speed. This trade logger is only doing something. For today, wait, let me go. For today, we'll use Brazil. Yeah, Brazil isn't lagging. Yeah, I'm in this trade right now. Reacted to this fair value gap. Yeah, I don't like how there's no bottom wick here. Only risk is that might come create bottom wick and then push higher. That'll suck. We'll put it on 1 minute and see. Can't do anything. I can only control my entries. We'll let it play out how it goes. Yeah, dollar is crashing. That's very nice. This is what I want to see if gold wants to move higher. It gives me like extra confirmation to hold. Yeah, it can trade lower, but the chances of going higher is more. I'm just stacking probabilities and taking trades. See, the thing is that how I do is I give points. Okay, so let's say it took out these Asia session. So if it takes out Asia session, that's 1 point to look for longs. Okay, and then what do we have? We have breakout structure, market structure shift. We have fair value gap. That gives me 2 points. Okay, some stacking probabilities to look for longs. And daily bias is long because yesterday we closed somewhere around here. So can you see the trend? This might be a liquidity sweep to push higher. So 3 points there, and then dollar is crashing. If dollar is crashing, gold typically goes higher. So 4 points. Silver, okay. Silver took out these highs. That's the only concern to look for shorts. That's one risk. That doesn't mean that it uh if it goes stop loss, it goes. Can't do anything. So what is the VOE? Bro, it was longs, bro. I was looking for longs till these equalize get taken out. Didn't give me any entry on 15 minute. Oh, it did give me entry. Missed it. I was on Geo was the lagging pair. Okay, SMT divergence, so didn't take entry here. I thought it'll come till these order blocks right here. So that's where I missed for longs. Till these eyes can look for longs. Because it just flipped and right, it'll push higher. Uh, do you trade in Indian markets? Yeah, I used to do, not now. Used to trade Nifty Bank, Nifty 50. Mainly a Bank Nifty only. At one time I used to trade when now it's hell, bro. They increase the premium prices, lot size, everything. It sucks. Where did you learn from? TGR, the one I'm suggesting. It's free. That's the best thing. He made everything for free. It's some 50 days boot camp. Go through each video, you'll understand how the market works. But before that, you should have like general idea like what are higher lows, lower lows, higher highs. I even I have made like few videos. You can like check that out. I'm also like making a boot camp of like 30 days. Crypto. I invest in crypto. I don't take trades in crypto. Dollar is crashing. Why is browser also lagging? Uh, there's some problem in the. Let me just keep it like this. We'll see. Yeah, anything else, guys? Oh yeah, now it won't lag. Right? Yeah, I guess so. It won't lag now. Yeah, it stopped. I connected my phone to laptop. That's why it was lagging. And now it's smooth as well. Finally, I can work on. Every time I connect charger, it happens. Euro is pumping. It's pushing to the rise. I know it was gonna go higher. This was like my A plus setup. I forgot that. I was so focused on uh this thing GBP I forgot about you. I've taken an entry here. These highs both would have got it. Check it. The square value gap is holding nicely. That's the only part. I've been learning ICT for 6 months now. I still can't take trades on my own. What would you do if you were in my position? I would backtest more, bro. And if I'm entering on something, I would enter with like small position, very small position, so that you can like build confidence. And in ICT also, it's like too complex. Okay, people give you like 100 stuff. Make sure like you use like three, four things from there, and then don't make it like over complicated. You can just use S&P divergence, fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, and market structure shift enough, or else CISD and draws on liquidity, like where price wants to go, daily bars. There are like some 100 things, silver bullet, golden bullet. No, no, no need. Then if if this is the continuation of this, sucks. Price is consolidating hard. Don't like how it's closing though. That's the thing. No volume to the upside. Maybe because news is that what's the time 1:35. But it's got kill zone time. See, DXY is pushing higher. Yeah. Uh, this is pair to confuse me a lot. When I take entry U, then GU moves nicely, then EU starts consolidating and vice versa. The thing is that due to tariffs and all, it's happening because they're not aligning perfectly. Do one thing, take one pair, choose one pair. I feel like leave GU, take any trade which is there on EU. That's it. Like remove GU completely. Just use for SMT divergence. Other than that, don't use GU for anything. Just take trades on EU. No, that's gonna help you. Don't take trades on both the pairs. Just stick to one. Because EU is like a little more stable, which will help you a little nicely. It moves a little slower. Yeah, still look for longs. You still have equalize here. Here we took out those highs. Yeah, there's SMT divergence on like higher time frame here. This could have been my like partial point. This trade will take time. Damn, today it moved. Finally, market is healing. These moves are ridiculous, man. Look at this. These are literally a trillion dollar more. This, only this much was like a $1 trillion more or something. Oh yeah, this was like $4 trillion pump. Some 4.5 trillion. Then we started to range in that. My biggest loss in a day is never more than 1.5%. My losses are very small. That's why I'm profitable. I showed analytics, I say I guess in one of the stream. I showed my the one I cleared funded account PNL. Uh, my biggest loss was not more than 1%. I stick like my risk was somewhere, the 1% was somewhere here. Now I reduce it to a little less than 1%. So yeah, that's something that kept me profitable. So that's what I'm doing. I don't add to position. If I add, only if like I take a trade with like 0.5% risk. This trade is running on like 0.5% risk because it didn't give me like good confirmation on 5 minute. 5 minute it broke the structure. There's a change in the state of delivery, but there's no market structure shift on 5 minute. Only if we like close above this wick, there'll be a market structure shift. Then I'll easily move to these eyes. This is literally, I guess, 100 pip more. Pips, yeah, 124 pips. I don't, I don't take pips into consideration. What's the difference between CSD and market structure shift? Okay, so the thing is that CSD happens before market structure shift. So wait, let me. Okay, so when's the market structure shift happens? Only if the candle body closes above this thing, right? Let's say we are like making higher high, higher low. Okay, the next higher high should be above this wick. Okay, then only we consider it as a market structure shift. CIDS, this body, okay, it closed above that, so that's CIDS. Let me explain it. Second. So this one candle, eh, it's better to draw. Okay, so this is one candle, something like that we are moving. Okay. Okay, this is case one, this is case two. So what happened? The body, okay, the next candle body closed above this body. So that's changed the state of delivery. A market structure shift is basically above this wick if the body closes. That's the only difference. You CID, CSD, you get entry earlier because for market structure shift, you have to wait for like one more candle to form. Then if it closes above this, then it is sorry, market structure shift. So it typically gives good entries. That's the only thing. Currently here, look at this. The body here closed above this thing. Okay, the body closed above this body, right? So that's a CSD. If this body closed above here, then it's a market structure shift. That's the only difference. Now I got like better entry here instead of waiting and getting entry. Bro, this consolidation. I might take partials or break even. I hate I hate markets like this. I never try to take trades. Probably because news is there, it's happening. I want to take trades in this range, like more like these. See here, because of news, it's consolidating here. There's also pure consolidation. Not good to, yeah, yeah, too good consolidation everywhere. Bro, ETH, I want to stack. I feel like this is the lowest ETH will go. It's not looking good. Here, there's CISD, okay. So this is CISD here. Market structure shift didn't happen yet. If you are experienced, then only go with the CISD because sometimes it fakes out. If you want good win rate, then go for market structure shift, not CSD. CSD, I combine it with like inverse fair value gap. Oh, also time 147. I'll wait for like 5 more minutes. I'll see. Either this trade goes to break even or I'll close in some profits. Because sucks low. I usually don't take trades before news. I like to take trades after news because volatility will be high. See, market structure shift happened here in 1 minute. This body closed above this wick. This high is wick, so that's market structure shift. That's it. It's easy only. Forming divergence over here again. Yeah, my target on you are these highs. These highs are very nice to take targets. You're stuck in this news consultation. I'll go in 10 more minutes. My SL will be here now. Don't like how it's going. I don't want to get stuck in consultation. I'll see 10 more minutes. If it moves, it moves. Otherwise, I'll close to whatever profits I get. We have too good liquidity over here. Nice displacement here, though. Can look for shorts. If it closes below this, I close my this thing, gold trade. Didn't work out. Can we close below this? I don't like the cold trade. I close at that break even. If we can get entry here, look for that. Might enter here if this comes last trade. Only it has to close below that. If it closes below, I'll take one trade. Small scale. Again, half a percent risk. Mm-mm. Nah, it didn't close. Okay, we'll wait for 5 more minutes. It'll close on 3 minutes. Yeah, I did close on 3 minutes. Now it's 30 minutes. Yeah, take the shots here. Still didn't enter how to put. Yeah. And I'm expecting to move over. Sold it here. If it gives. Otherwise, it's fine. Because gold trade hit break even. I thought it'll move if volume was there. But today, euro is showing volume. Nah, damn. Just 1 minute. Still is. I just saw different. Yeah, the charts are different. Hey, sorry. This. I took on euro. Sorry. Yeah, it's euro USD, not took it here. As that scan close here. Yeah, this is a lagging index. I'm like, wait, why are the charts not matching? I'll be there for stream for like how many minutes? 5 more minutes. I have class, so I have to go. Exactly. Yeah, correct. No, I got scared. I'm like, why is it moving there? And in my this thing broker, it's stuck. I got heart attack. But still, it's consolidating. Look at this. 0.5% rate if it goes. How do you take partials, bro? Like you hit TP1, so you close 50, around 50. It's not exactly 50. Sometimes I close 20%, 30%. If I'm too confident, I close very less, like 20% of the trade or something. But yeah, 50%. Currently, I'm trying to hold trades for like full TP and take little partials. Before I used to close 50%, 50 to 80% actually. If the SMT works, you have SMT over here, from these size to these size. So if that works, it should hold. I feel like we'll take these liquidity and push down. I had too much confidence in gold. I didn't know it'll consolidate and go break even. Sucks. This trade is a little risky because we have equalize over here. Look at how we made equalize. That was the only down thing. But yeah, if it goes 0.5%. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna go. Yeah, it went. GG. Lost 0.5% today. This was a little risky. Yeah. What happened to gold though? Yeah, see, I saved myself from gold. Shouldn't trade during news. Keep this for journal. Could have taken partials here, but it's fine. Like even it'll range here and then news comes. Gonna go one direction and then it's gonna push to other. I feel like I'll do NYSE stream. So, break even. I took it like little partials here, wherever. Uh, yeah, I know it's gonna go down, but you have to wait for the news though. The thing is that we took out highs, so we had liquidity sweep, and then with that we had assembly rounds. You see, we didn't take out lows, so if it had to work, it was a little risky, but yeah, we might reject from here. I'm still holding this. I think this SMT divergence will work. If you do like this like SMT, right? Might work, but it's fine. Kept little like tighter stop loss. So we had SMT divergence. We broke the structure and we started to fall like very short of flow. But here it started consolidating now. Yeah, couldn't enter. At least to come to this OT from this side to this low. So we traded here now from this low to this high, expecting it to come here at least, then to push higher. So you're kind of rejecting wicked off. There's one more here. So might go down. That's that. Uh, I closed a gold trade in break and like I was like maybe we can do. So yeah, 2 3 I'll try streaming NYSE. So yeah, there's nothing 0.5% loss for me. So yeah, we'll meet again. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Gold has this good draw on liquidity. Uh, if you have any questions, you can ask. I'll stay for what 2 more minutes. We had good viewers today though. Live stream views are I'm actually getting good. When's the news? I'll read after news. Oh, we have Euro news. Nah, did I trade news? We have Euro red folder news. Shouldn't have taken trade only. We have Euro news on 5 o'clock. That too, it's like the most red folder news of Europe that is ever possible. Uh, and we have news on AUD also. It just got over. Could have traded AUD though. Looking for longs after this break. Came tap diamond. We have one more. How many news do we have? One, two, three. We have three news today. And tomorrow bank holiday, bro. I might take trades only on gold tomorrow. Made a mistake trading euro. Okay, the SMT failed. It'll consolidate till the news comes. So yeah, bye bye. I'll meet you guys in NYC around what time the news is? Oh, the news is at 6 o'clock. I'll come at 7. We'll trade at 7. We'll get that 0.5% back. Mm. Anyways, bye bye. Hold 15 minutes order block tab. Oh, you mean this? Yeah. I feel like till the news comes to avoid because we are like kind of disrespecting this fair value gap. If we disrespect, we might go all the way till these lows, at least till it gets respected. We have one more right here. So we have here, yeah, we have 3. So the thing is that if this body candle closes below this, it can come till these lows. So it might fill somewhere here and then push higher. So yeah, bye bye. I'll wait for this 4 hour candle to close. Might look for longs too here. Nice tap. Uh,